So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Magma FinCorp share. So today mainly we'll discuss what are the updates on Magma FinCorp. So we know that almost 3,456 crore deal which was supposed to happen. So that will be completed. So we'll discuss about that update first and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So about Magma FinCorp. So today I have mentioned in the Telegram as well. So sharp 9:15, I guess 9:17 a.m. I have told when it was fluctuating that it is goodbye. So already we have discussed it, not the first time I am discussing about Magma FinCorp. So already we have been discussing. So many people who want to invest, that is fresh investment, for them I told that if you want to enter, you can enter. So Instagram also few immediately message that can I buy this much amount of shares, so that much amount of shares. So clearly I told them if you want to buy in small portions. Again, if it corrects, you can average. So future is there, potential is present, so nothing much to panic in this. So let's do the volume analysis first and then we'll switch out to the technical charts. So I forgot about the update, right? So first we'll see about update and then we'll switch out to next analysis. Okay, so many people were asking about what is your average price in Magma FinCorp. So I told in my previous videos as well, but again I'm telling. So average price of Magma FinCorp is 15.90. I have taken Magma FinCorp at 15.90 and you can see it has given almost 752% returns. So 752% returns given by a company is not a joke. So what is the analysis? So on how I have taken the trade, so how I have entered, so all I explained as well. If you want any separate dedicated video like how to identify multi-bagger stocks, especially when their accumulation is happening, right? So when accumulation is happening, so that time only we need to enter. So that would be the best entry rather than entering at highest point. So again it may go up, so that is secondary, but if you enter at the bottom, right, so that satisfaction that you get when the stock goes continues the rally, so that is something different. So how to do all those things we'll discuss in next video. So let us complete 10,000 subscribers. So after that definitely I'll tell how to identify multi-bagger stocks and various stocks which may give multi-bagger return, so that also we will discuss. Okay, so if we see the latest update, so early morning we have got an update regarding Magma FinCorp that, as we told, the deal, that is deal implies the rising up of 3,456 crores by preference by issuing preference equity shares to Adar Poonwala. Who is Adar Poonwala? You can see from thumbnail itself, he is nothing but CEO of Serum Institute. So already we know, right, so this particular momentum which we got in Magma FinCorp mainly was because of that particular update. So that is being successfully completed and which is controlled under Rising Sun Holdings, so RHPL, and two members from the promoter group. Okay, so this was the major update. So that's why today morning we have seen some positiveness. Again, directly it has hit the upper circuit. Okay, so next when we do the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 9th March we have seen the combined volume has started increasing, as well as the traded quantity, which we used to see basically when any stock its upper circuit, obviously the volatility will increase. As usual, the traded quantity also spikes up. So ultimately when traded quantity is increasing, as investors we expect the amount of deliveries that are happening on any stock, if they increases, so that is also very important for the stock in the coming sessions. So deliveries wise also we have seen a little increase was seen, so that is what a positive indication for the company, especially who have invested at levels like 120, 123 and 110 also. So they are also getting very good profit. So considerably the deliverable quantities have been increasing. So even though market was little volatile, so little correction was seen, so it has given a buying opportunity to add at that particular levels. So whenever it was present at the levels in the Telegram also, I told if you are interested you can definitely go for it. Instagram also we have discussed, so nothing special about that. But if you are investing at dips, so that is the best strategy. So you will be having some very good holding in the long term as well. Okay, so now let's go in depth regarding the volume as well as if you see the delivery percentage. So if you see volume, so that has remained considerably flat. You can see roughly after that particular moment where it was spiking near 8 million. So after that, when the little it has settled down, so volume was also flat. So little accumulation was seen. So you can see that it was touching 4 million plus volume. So after that, little we have seen increase in deliverable quantity, but not that to great extent. Okay, it is increasing, so that is decent. For that particular levels, it is well and good. Okay, if you little go in depth and if you see day to day wise how the um, deliveries were present. So earlier we used to see some jump in deliveries of volume. You can see this is the combined volume, so that has remained constant for the till 3rd March. After that, little decreases seen. Ultimately prices also fell, but later again you can see the last trading session combined the traded volume has increased. So try to watch all these things. So not only in one particular stock, it will be applicable to all stocks. So without volume analysis, nothing you can do. Especially any paid courses if you take, so they will discuss volume analysis. That is very important. So without volume analysis, especially for investing and doing swing trades, especially if you want to do catch the bottom again to exit at the top, so for those things volume analysis is very important. Not only for that, for long term as well, it is very essential. Okay, so that's why we have seen 3.3% movement. So today again, since it is in upper circuit, so again try to watch the combined volume, so it will give you idea that whether it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so next when we discuss about indicators, so what are the two indicators? So one is RSI, another one is money flow index. So money flow index, you can see both of them are in little overbought region. So it is not that any stock which is in overbought region, it will fall. So it's not like that. So depending upon the momentum, depending upon the volume, it enters into the overbought, and again it remains in that particular region only. Even if it shows small correction, it is an opportunity for you. So Magma FinCorp, it is not the first time. Almost 10 to 15 videos we have discussed, starting from 15 rupees level. So 15 rupees level, I uploaded the first video on Magma FinCorp. So no videos were uploaded in YouTube since then. After this particular deal only, many videos have come. So what is the use when we are not catching the bottom of the stock, right? So you can invest for that much amount of returns that you may be expecting from bottom. So that hefty returns you may not expect, right? So many people expect 700-800% returns. So those returns from those levels may or may not be possible, but expecting same returns is little difficult. Okay, so try to watch each and every video. So basis on analysis only, based on practice, basis on every what you can say research, I upload all those videos. Okay, so quickly, let's go to technical charts. We'll see what was the resistance which it was facing and how it has given the breakout. Okay, so if you see the 1-day chart, okay, so if you see the 1-day chart, so clearly you can see what was the previous resistance. So previous resistance was 130 rupees level. So where it was trying to, okay, give a breakout, but we are seeing some consolidation. You can see consolidation, right? Almost 1, 2, 3, okay, you can say roughly 1 week consolidation was seen. So what is this consolidation? So this is not any normal consolidation. So this is accumulation. So where few people were adding at those particular levels, so because it was opportunity, so many were accumulating at those levels. Addition was there, but you did not see any price movement. So that is what is called the operator magic. So that happens in all the stocks, especially which trade in upper circuit, lower circuit. So in these things happen. So 130 was the resistance which it was facing. So accumulation was present in that particular region. So today it has given breakout from that and it has closed near 135 rupees. Okay, so now comes what will be the next target. So next target immediately would be 140 to 150. So this would be the immediate next target. So because there's preferential allotment, so whatever it is there which will be allotted to other Poniwala, so that if it's getting completed as soon as possible, so then definitely again it will start going up because it is an opportunity, right? So many people, many big investors see that potential is there for this NBFC, so they start investing at those levels as well, which is again a opportunity. Okay, so money flow index wise, you can see it is near 79. Okay, roughly in little bit of overbought region, but it's okay, fair enough, you can enter at those levels. So support wise, you can see 130 is a very good support. After that 120, so 130 120 are the supports. So 130 is very strong support, so that should be obeyed in the coming sessions as well. So targets wise 140 150 in the near term. So long term, they may be different, they may depend on the company's performance, depending upon how the financials are reported. So if they are great, then definitely company will also go up. So if you have any holdings in Magma Fincorp, do mention in comment section, and also you can personally message me on Instagram as well. Okay, join the Telegram group so as to not miss any instant updates. So until then, take care, bye bye.